There we have the mayor. Can you please let me know, what is your impression of this meeting?
I was impressed. I enjoyed it. So I was here last year, and this year I thought the quality was even better.
First of all, what I liked about it was the fact that the quality of the speakers was very good. I think in general it was like a high level of presentations.
My impression, very interesting, of course. I learned a lot.
That you don't need to do digital, you have to be a digital.
I spoke about social media and I speak about social media all the time, but the thing that really I'm going to go back to and talk about now is preparing for that unexpected.
But I have one follower at Twitter and I will spread the word how great this was, really.
It's very good. It's been one of the best conferences I've ever been to.
It looks like you had fun today.
Yeah, definitely I did.
The most impressive message in the presentation of AB InBev, the brewer, how they organize it worldwide, their social media, I think that made a lot of impression on me. Yes.
And you're drinking Stella, I think.
Yes, I am.
Oh, I think it's great. I think one of the Christopher was saying you cannot not do anything, because if you not do anything, you end up cause more harm than good. So I think that's fascinating that, like, as a company you should do something with it.
But actually I don't follow anyone on Twitter, so that will be written on my gravestone.